What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Bass with Watts. And today we are, I got on the internet last night and I saw that there was like a river that actually ran through Area 51. So right now I found this railroad track. We're gonna follow this down. I got some water. I got one rod and I got some Cincos. So stay tuned, guys. I got a several mile hike along this railroad track. Hopefully I don't get caught. I don't know what kind of fish we're gonna catch. I don't even know if we're gonna catch fish. All I do know is that this river, or like stream or something, runs through the back end of Area 51. I don't know. I saw it on the internet. But you just gotta believe whatever you see on the internet. So I will see you guys on the water. So just an update, guys. I'm about like a mile away. Got through some guards. They were like watching. They said you couldn't go through here. Blah blah blah. I snuck in. Alright? Don't tell anybody. Okay? I mean, actually it's on YouTube, so they're gonna find out here shortly, but whatever. Things you gotta do to catch bass. Okay? So we're gonna keep going. Looks like it comes around the bend here. Right there. Goes around the bend, but we're making good timing, guys. I just stopped to get some water. It's hot. It's like 101 degrees. So hopefully I don't pass out with heat exhaustion, because I'm not even supposed to be here. But yeah, you know what? Let me do something real quick. My own mom's not even gonna answer her phone. Ugh.
Your call has been...
Alright, never mind. I was gonna call my mom and my dad and tell them I love them. But on to fishing Area 51. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it to the first spot. So if you guys can see right down in this area, there's like an eddy. So Area 51 is behind me, over this rock wall. So you gotta be quiet. Can't make a bunch of noise, but see if we can't catch some bass, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Hopefully we catch some fish. If we don't, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let's go catch some fish. Oh, I gotta put my Cinco on. Dang it, I must have the GoPro on. Get the Cinco on. Let's catch some fish. We're at spot number 1. Just saw some little fish. I'm gonna move down a little bit. I hear some bigger rapids, some bigger fish over there. No, don't do that. I am limited tackle, guys. All today I have is some hooks and some Cincos. That's it. That was a long adventure. Come on, fishy. There's one, guys. Oh, he got off. Dang. He got off. Dang, that was a good one. About to fall off this rock wall. I don't even know how I'm gonna land these fish. We got some action, guys. Uh-oh, I'm in the tree. I should have brought a life jacket. Could have just swam out there. I had one fish, guys. Also Cinco. I am limited Cincos too. Alright. Let's put them back on. Get that fish out there. Oh, I got 2 Cincos. I'm just gonna have to cut them in half. Use them like that. Let's try this again. Sketchy. Rock climbing for fish. Who would have thought? So guys, I just spotted some people over there. There's probably like 5 or 6 of them. I gotta head back to the truck. This is just, it's getting, I don't know, there's too many, I hear noises and just strange things, but I'm glad that I was able to find out if there was fish here or not. I hooked up onto something, so we're gonna have to come back here another day or another time. So let's go ahead and just head back to the truck, guys. Hopefully I don't get caught. So guys, I think they're delivering goods. I was able to get out of there, but it sounds like there's a train coming. Maybe with some aliens. Who knows? But we'll see what happens. See what happens. Well, thanks for watching another episode of Bassing with Watts. That was yeah. You guys that didn't realize it was just a joke. So, just a cool spot to fish. I think I am gonna name it Area 51 now. It's hard to get to by boat, but like I was saying before, guys, if you guys want to see me fish that spot from a kayak, smash that like button, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Bassing with Lots.